Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another 4 looks using one palette video, and I'm going to be using the Lime Crime Venus XL2 palette. Now this palette, when it first came out, it looked pretty bland in the photos and I wasn't really excited about it. But then I saw some looks that were done with this palette and I thought they were really beautiful, and I think this palette is great for spring and summer. And I will give you my thoughts at the end of the video. So let's just jump right into it.
A messy mind. Think I need to help you. I'm gonna try. Cute as hell, baby. Hotter than flames. Wanna burn together in a million ways. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play. You might wanna see, you might wanna see, you might wanna. I know I'm not gonna regret this. Wanna get reckless, put you to the test, yeah. I know I'm not gonna regret this. I wanna get reckless. temptation was craving. You love it, you hate it. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna. Lock the door, zip it off. Kiss my neck, but you want more. Scream your name deep in the night. Work your way around my thighs, explore my hips, my time alive. I scream your name, I shut it down, 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 down. I know I'm not gonna regret this. Wanna get reckless, put you to the test, yeah. I know I'm not gonna regret this. I wanna get reckless. I wanna get reckless. I want.
When I let you go, ooh, I just pull you closer. Ooh, I can't understand where it came from, but you got it, I got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip has pulled you into me. When I let you go, it just pulled you closer. It's a long departure. It's a long departure. Before I see you again, before it all makes sense, but I can't hold you back. And I still don't understand where it came from, but you're back in with the passion. I'm awake with the flame in a hailstorm. I'm back in, I gotta have it. Everything to do with what
So I try to use as many shades as I could to get a good idea of how the palette performs. And I was really happy with the shade Classical. Sometimes I think deep browns can get a little patchy and hard to blend out, but this was really buttery and blended out so easily. Some of the metallics needed a wet brush to really get the full metallic impact, and the color Sage needed some building up, but overall the mattes were really nice. I do wish there was a couple more mattes in this palette, however. There's just a little bit too much metallics, but that being said, you can create some really beautiful, stunning everyday looks with this palette and the metallics alone. Some of the metallics would look really beautiful on their own on just the lid blended out. So let me know in the comments below which look was your favorite and if you will be picking up this palette. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.